today we're gonna make a roasted lamb leg. So today is, maybe you're gonna be watching this a little late, but today is Anzac Day, and here we have a puppy and the flag to accompany us in the recipe. This is a very simple recipe, but it takes quite a while, not gonna lie. More than the meatballs one that we're gonna be posting a little one. More. Like 10 hours. Anyway, let me show you the ingredients. First of all, we have a 2 kilo lamb leg. Look at it. It looks so fantastic. Then we have a big tray for the oven. We have the aluminium, and then we've got some paper towels to dry it up. Let's get started.
The doors open.
Okay, so I'm just drying up the lamb couplet, the lamb leg, and what we're gonna do is we're just going to cover it in aluminium. Okay, so we are going to put it on here, and my dad says it weighs a lot, but I don't think so. It does. Oh my goodness. Okay, it does weigh a lot. We cut it into 2 pieces, so it's easier to dry now. And we're just gonna put it there, and then we're gonna do like fold it in. Okay, so we've wrapped up the lamb leg, and we're gonna put it in the oven that we've programmed for it to start at 3 a.m. in the night, because it is right now 11:27. Yes. But anyway, we're gonna be putting this for 10 hours, quite a long time. And we're gonna put on the oven to an 85 degrees, just so we want, because at 100 degrees, what it does is it would like not get tender because there's no juice, and it'll like evaporate the blood of the juice of the leg. And so we want less than 100, so it's nice and tender, and it's like cooking in its own juice, and that really makes it tender. So I'm gonna go over to the oven with the I'm gonna put it in. And there's no salt needed, there's no pepper, there's no garlic, there's no anything. It's just a simple roll up pudding method.
The doors open. Take the high road and hop in. Open up.
So it's been 10 hours, well, this is like 4, but 10 hours that the lamb leg has been inside. So now we're gonna take it out, and then we'll take off the foil and explain what we're gonna do later. Whoa, that's a lot of juice. Okay. So now that we have that in, look how delicious this looks. Already, but that smells really good. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the foil, but first we're going to separate the juice and the lamb. So let's do that. Okay, so we put the juice. This is its own juice, guys. It's its own juice. So that's impressive. And look how good it looks. Well, maybe it doesn't really look good, but it tastes phenomenal. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in the fire. So we're gonna add a little bit of salt and a little bit of oh, that one. Okay, so we're gonna put it on the 8th. While it's cooking up. And what we're gonna need is a pinch of salt and good ingredient, some wine. Now, what we're gonna need for the salsa is salt and red wine. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna add in like quite a lot. I like it salty, so a little bit more. And then I'm gonna add in. That isn't really. Looks like a lot, but it's gonna evaporate. Whoa! That's so cool. Let's just do that like. That looks really good. Okay. Okay, so here we have the salt with the salsa with the salt and wine, and over on the other hand, in the oven, we have a grill super spice, and what we put it on maximum temperature. And what we're gonna do is put this in for only 5 minutes, so it's nice and golden when we open it up. So we're just going to open this up. Let me put on my mittens. Let's put this in. Okay. This. And we're gonna put it in. This is just gonna give it a nice swirl. And now we're gonna pop it in for only 5 minutes. And then once the 5 minutes are completed, do I press start? I think I press start. Wow, have a look at this. It looks so good. And look at the bars on the top. It's at maximum potence, and it's frigging red, like color of fire. And look how fast it's going. Only in 5. Oh, Dad. It's time to take it out and put the juice on it. Okay, now we're gonna put on the juice. Okay, we got the juice on it. We're leaving. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in. It's kind of tight. And now I'm gonna put it in for another like 3 minutes or so, another 5 minutes. And I'm gonna press. Oh, it's already. That's looking so good. It's got the juice in it. And look at it. It's nice and golden. Oh my. It looks amazing. Phenomenal. Amazing. Time has come. Our lamb leg is basically done, and it looks amazing. But oh my head. Oof, that hurt. Okay, so it's like really, I'm just gonna take it. Butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. Basically, it's done, but normally we have it with some mashed potatoes. That's like my favorite with it, or some normal potatoes. And I just like sauce, a salad with all these different types of vegetables, like maybe some carrots and some peas. And there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure, if you haven't already, give a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and obviously share. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye! Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.